In a world where satellites track every inch of the planet and cities pulse with life 24/7, there's a place so isolated, even humans rarely dare to visit. A point on Earth where, right now, the closest living humans are likely orbiting above in the International Space Station. This is Point Nemo, the loneliest spot on the planet, and perhaps one of its strangest. Located deep in the South Pacific Ocean, Point Nemo sits over 2,400 nautical miles away from the nearest landmass in any direction. That's farther than any person could swim, sail, or drift on their own. It was discovered in 1992 by a Croatian-Canadian survey engineer using specialized software. He wasn't out at sea. He found it on a computer screen, and when he did, he realized what he'd uncovered was something extraordinary. This place is officially called the Oceanic Pole of Inaccessibility, but the internet gave it a more poetic name, Point Nemo, after Jules Verne's mysterious submarine captain in 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Point Nemo is so remote, even marine life is scarce. There are no bustling schools of fish or coral reefs. In fact, it lies within a part of the ocean known as the South Pacific Gyre, a current that blocks nutrients from reaching the area. It's a biological desert, but here's where it gets weirder. NASA uses Point Nemo as a spacecraft graveyard. Decommissioned satellites and space stations, including Russia's old MIR station, have been intentionally crashed into this spot, far from humans and ecosystems. It's the final resting place for over 260 spacecraft, silently buried beneath the waves. And then there's the bloop. In 1997, scientists recorded an ultra-low frequency sound near Point Nemo, so loud it was heard thousands of miles away. Some thought it was a sea creature, unknown to science. Others believed it might be geological. But to this day, the mystery remains largely unsolved. Point Nemo is more than just an empty spot on the map. It's a reminder that despite all our progress, there are still parts of Earth untouched, unknown, and deeply mysterious. Sometimes the loneliest places hold the loudest secrets.